Within the results and letters, the way you manage your incoming results and correspondence is exactly the same. Click on either the Diagnostic Reports tab or the Incoming Correspondence tab. Most results and letters that are sent electronically into Gentu will automatically be linked to the patient's record if the name, date of birth, and/or Medicare details match. If the patient isn't linked, click on the Search button. You can manually search for the patient or create a new patient from the details provided. Similar to the files to review, you can also see whether the patient has a future appointment booked in. If you would like to organize an appointment, you can also send an SMS directly to the patient by clicking on the SMS icon. Alternatively, you can click on the Add Task button in the top right. Once you have reviewed the result or letter, click on the Review button found in the top right to mark as done. Please note, if an admin user is reviewing these letters or results, the Review button is replaced with Finalize. This allows the practice to differentiate between who reviewed the results.